Be sure to watch a new message from Supreme Master Qinghai Vegan on Fly News. On Wednesday, August 12th, 2026, our most caring Master recorded a message for all the Supreme Master TV team members, reminding them to be vigilant and keep up with their pure dedication and intention. Master also shared news regarding the capture of a troublesome entity.
Today, the 12th of August 2026, I had to stay in my tent, not moving around, because the Trinity had to heal me, and it took some hours. Even then, the physical effect is still there. I have pain in the whole body, but it's bearable. It's not too bad, not too bad. Just that sometimes, because of these kinds of incidents, I will be late for my work. But the work has never been too late or unbearable. I just want to tell you that if you work for God, God will take really good care of you. Actually, yesterday, because I was pushed to fall down, I hit my head in some hardwood or something. I wasn't really aware of why I fell. I only knew it after I got up from the ground and have pain. It's good now. I'm thanking Mapa and Trinity at most powerful. I'll be okay in a couple of days. Otherwise, everything is good. But it's just the world karma that has enough strength to push me around like that. Never mind. It serves some good purpose. There was also an opportunity for me to rest more inside the tent, and thus also have time and energy and then an opportunity to get rid of some negative influence which was oppressing my working people, my team, and this, that, and others. Some have been cleaned of the karma. Some still have the lingering effect of their negative clutch, but they're going to be better now. I'm so glad I have a chance and time to help them get rid of their karma, their bad influence by the negative. That is because they're strong, but not strong enough for the deity. They're trying hard. The war deity and his subordinates always try very hard to separate my helpers from my working team. And some of them are weak, so they left, for example, or do something even slightly damaging to us. But never, we're strong enough. I'm so happy to be able to fight them and get my snatched team members back. Just to let you know, especially the working team for the Supreme Master Television, to be vigilant, to watch out for any negative tendency, feeling or influence from the other side of the good force. Always remember God, pray for protection, and tell me if anything wrong ever happens that you feel that's not proper, not correct, so that I may be able to have you more. Yes, as I have so much work, you must tell me if anything you think is not proper, all right? Love you anyway, no matter what. Forgive you anyway, no matter what. Just be vigilant so that you can keep up your pure dedication and intention. Otherwise, they might drag you out of our group and then drag you down to a lower and lower existence. And the lower you go, the less resistant force you have. And then you might be lost forever to our enemy. And then You know, you can't get out of their clutch and they will enslave you forever. That is a problem. Only working for God and a noble mission could make you more noble and help you to attain a higher and higher spiritual level in the universe and get all respect, love, admiration, and support from the higher dimension. Always pray for God's protection, okay? And meditate as much as you can. If you're working so hard, it's difficult to meditate 11 and a half hours, but it's alright. You're working for Supreme Master Television, and that merit will kind of neutralize or minimize your karma if you have any. And just one moment. Today was kind of my last fight with this chief of war. He's the one who instigates all kind of wars on this planet, as well as between countries and problems. With my team members for the Supreme Master Television and many other works. So we have got him and rid him of all his bad sins and behaviors. Because he, confessed that he did all that, this and the other. So we have spared him from being completely annihilated. But he has to go to jail in hell and be locked forever. So he will not be able to destroy or ruin or damage you or drag you out of your noble intention again. Yeah. I hope the world will get better and better. Our job for God's mission will be smoother and smoother as well, as more and more successful from now on and for all time. So be happy. Be happy with me, and as we continue to do our work to help the suffering beings on this planet and elsewhere as well, like in hell, for example. I still thank you for being strong and for continuing to contribute to this noble mission. In the name of God, may you be blessed more and more, protected more and more, and be more and more noble, so that your job, as we are doing it, will be smoother and smoother as well, as more and more successful. Amen. Love you all. This is my message for the in-house and remote Supreme Master Television team. With all love, respect, and gratitude. In the name of our parents, Mapa, the greatest, the one and only parents for all of us. May you be blessed more and more. May you be protected more and more. May you be more and more noble. Amen. Thank you, my Lord. If this message takes too much time to send to each of them, or is inconvenient to send to some location or some way, then you will just have to air it on Supreme Master TV, okay? Thank you, guys.
Be sure to watch a new message from Supreme Master Qinghai, Vegan, on Fly-In News. Coming soon.